Hi friends, I'm Mary at Alaskan Homemaker. Today we're going to be making Chad's breakfast burritos. Chad, when he was a teenager, he went to Taco Bell and got a breakfast burrito, and you know how sometimes they discontinue items at Taco Bell and they're no longer available. So Chad years ago made up his own version of that burrito, and so that's what we're going to be making today. And the good thing is these burritos can also be frozen, so you can just pull one out of the freezer and have a fast breakfast. So let's get started. I've got my skillets preheating, and I'm going to get some breakfast sausage into one of them, and then we're going to cook some scrambled eggs in the little one. We're just going to break the sausage down and fry it up and get it as small as we can. These burritos are a delicious burrito. They have a lot of sauce in there, so they're not dry at all. They're really good. I have some olive oil here that I'm going to get in this little pan. I've got 4 eggs cracked into this bowl, and then we'll just give those a mix with a fork. That looks good. Skillet's warmed up good enough. Put eggs into there. Okay, I'm going to turn that burner off. Our eggs look good. There's our scrambled eggs. Okay, I'm going to drain the grease off of this. Our sausage is drained, and we're just going to let it get browned up a bit. And we'll get some onions chopped. I've got some peppers that I got out of the freezer that are chopped up. It's probably about a half a cup, and probably about half a cup of onion too. I've also got about 2 cups of tater tots here that I put in the microwave and microwave for about 3 minutes. That way we can squish them and they'll be easily squished, and we can put them into our burritos. Okay, our sausage is browned up nicely. So now we're going to go ahead and get our onions and peppers in. Okay, our onions have softened, so we're going to go ahead and get our scrambled eggs into there. And our tater tots. And we're going to break up the tater tots a little bit. Okay, and we're going to get 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce into our mix. We're going to get 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And we're going to put 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder and see how it looks. Okay, now we're going to turn this off and get all this mixed in. Okay, we're going to put 1 more tablespoon, half a tablespoon of chili powder. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to taste it. I'm going to see how the spice levels are. That is delicious. Okay, and now we're going to start assembling our breakfast burritos, Chad's breakfast burritos. Okay, first we're going to make a paste. So I have about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of flour in here, and I've got some water here, and we're going to make a paste to glue our little breakfast burritos closed so they don't, this is our food glue. It'll keep them from popping open on us. So we want to just add enough water to make a thick paste. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, I've got some homemade tortillas that I made up this morning for our breakfast burritos. You can use any tortillas you have on hand. Okay, and I've got some American cheese. I'm probably going to put a half a slice on each burrito. You can use any kind of cheese that you like, your favorite cheese. Okay, and we've got our parchment lined baking sheet that we can stack our burritos on and flash freeze them in the freezer. Let's see. And then we'll put the cheese and some filling. And we'll put a little bit of our food glue at the very top. And then we're going to wrap it up. And then we'll just put it on our parchment lined baking sheet with the seam side down. There we go. And then here's our food glue. And we're going to wrap it up. I'm going to put a little bit of food glue on these sides. We've rolled up all our burritos. We got 20 breakfast burritos. They're so delicious. Chad made this burrito recipe up and it's really delicious. We've been eating this burrito recipe for years. So let's give it a try. I warmed it up in the microwave. If it's frozen, I like to put it in the microwave on defrost for a while until it's softened up a bit, and then do a 30-second at regular power, and then it makes it perfect where the burrito is still soft and delicious. Okay, so let's give it a try. Ooh, it's so delicious. It's really good. I hope y'all like this recipe and give it a try. Y'all won't regret it. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope y'all have a blessed day, and I will see you next time. Bye.